Monthly subscriptions for individual AI models are expensive, but many of these providers offer free developer tiers. If you consolidate them, you can build a unified system right on your desk. This is free LLM API. It's an OpenAI-compatible server you can host locally in under 6 minutes. It gives you direct access to premium models like GPT-4o and Claude 3, all while bypassing traditional monthly fees. To get this running, you only need a Windows PC, an internet connection, and basic familiarity with the command prompt. By the end of this guide, you will have one local endpoint that routes requests across 14 different premium models, ensuring your workflow isn't interrupted by a single provider's paywall. First, we need to set the foundation. Navigate to Node.js.org and click the Windows Installer button. Run the file and stick to the default settings to ensure your environment variables are configured automatically. Next, open your command prompt, type node-version and hit enter. You should see an output of version 20 or higher. If the terminal returns an error, close the window completely and reopen it to refresh your system paths. Now, download the source code by typing git clone followed by the repository URL. Once the download finishes, type cd free LLAPI to enter the project folder. Type npm install and press enter. This downloads the necessary project packages. Wait for the loading bar to finish and for the cursor to return. If your system blocks the installation, use the command npm install-force to bypass standard warnings. With those steps complete, your PC is now configured as a local environment capable of running the API server. Security is handled locally. Run the key generator command in your terminal to create your encryption string. You can verify this by opening the .env file in Notepad. You'll see a long, randomly generated string assigned to your encryption key. To launch the interface, type npm run dev. Once the Vite server is active, hold Ctrl and click the localhost 5173 link to open the dashboard in your browser. This local setup ensures your API credentials never leave your physical hard drive. Just remember to keep this terminal window open. Closing it will shut down the server. To power the system, we need to gather free API keys from several major AI providers. Head to Google AI Studio first. Sign in, click Get API Key in the sidebar, and then select Create API Key to generate your string. For fast llama models, go to the Groq console. Under the API Keys section, click Create API Key, and then select the copy icon. For models hosted on GitHub, navigate to your developer settings to generate a personal access token. Look for the expiration dropdown. Set this to No Expiration. If the token expires, the API router will encounter silent failures when trying to reach GitHub Models. Managing these individual keys and their specific rate limits manually is tedious. The next step automates that process. Open your local dashboard and go to the Keys tab. Select a provider, like OpenAI, paste your key into the field and click Add Key. Switch to the Fallback Chain tab. This UI allows you to prioritize which model handles your requests first. Click and drag Gemini 2.5 to the top of the list. When the top model hits a rate limit, the router detects the block and instantly sends the request to the next provider in your chain. Now go to the top of the keys page to find your unified key. This is the only credential you'll need to copy for your other applications. Test the system in the local playground. Set the model to auto and send a prompt. The metadata beneath the response will show you exactly which provider served the request. You have successfully consolidated multiple providers into a single automated access point. You can now use this endpoint in any third-party AI application, such as LangChain or Llama Index, by providing your unified key and local host address. Here, the server is active in the background, providing resources to a separate chat interface while monitoring CPU and RAM usage in real time. This setup gives you an OpenAI-compatible local server with automatic failovers and full privacy for your credentials. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials. All the links for your local AI server are in the description below.